What's up, guys? What's up? I know you've come because you are interested in trading, guys. So let's start from introduction. I go by the name the binary Shifu, and my only interest is about just to teach people how to do binary trading, everything for free. And there is so much that I want us to learn from scratch, and I want us to move step by step. And in case you may have any question or any inquiry as we move by, you can always reach out to me on Instagram. I'll put the handle down there, or you can just text me on WhatsApp. But I want us to start from the basics, the basic part. Some people who have actually done some binary trading on deriv.com, which is actually the best broker. Maybe if you've done that, then you're good. But I want to start first from the basics because I want us to move step by step. There are people who maybe are interested and they have not gotten the chance to know from scratch how do I start and what is this. There's that issue of know-how. So I want us to start from scratch, creating a binary account and get to verify it. You know, when it comes to binary trading and any kind of trading, you have to use your legal names, your legal verification details like your ID or KRA, so that you know you're dealing with money. On deriv.com, they will give you an option to verify your account, of which it is not a must to verify while you start, but it will reach a point when you want to withdraw some cash and you've passed a certain limit. You will be asked to verify your account so that they may, you know, when transacting large amounts of money, they need to verify that yes, you are a human being and you have an identification document. So I want us to start from the basics. We move to creating the account, we move to verifying it, and then we'll know what to do next. And then, guys, if you have any question that you want me to tackle on binary trading, you can just text or write down there on the comment section, or just DM me on Instagram and we'll get to talk. So our site for today, the trading site, is deriv.com. So you will basically go to your browser and you will type in deriv.com, and it will come, as you can see the screen now. You'll land on their website, deriv.com. This is how it looks like. So up here you have the login, you have the create free demo account, or create, yeah, it's also down here. But an easier way, guys, I'm going to put up a link on my description. So if you just click on the link on my description, you'll just go directly to this site, and it will be easier than going to maybe your Google account and you get that all hassle Google account writing, you get so many search results. So I'll just leave the link directly to Deriv on the description, and then you'll be able to do or to create your trading account. So it is free, everything free. There's nothing that you're going to be told, oh, pay this before you start. No, the learning process is free. Getting to start to learn how to trade is free, and I'm going to even teach you guys how to make your bots. So let's start. So we are here on the landing page, deriv.com. So this is the widest, actually, this broker in Kenya. If you want to trade binary options, I'll tell you to trade on deriv.com. Any other guy who knows binary option will also tell you to trade on deriv.com. So this site, you can see that it is a trading site, and you can trade forex, you can trade derived, you can trade stocks and indices, you can trade cryptocurrencies, you can also trade commodities. Forex, we all know that forex is a foreign exchange, and it is a market that is actually always up from Monday to Friday, and then on the weekends it is closed. Then derived, you can get to trade jump indices, crash, volatilities, and then stocks and indices, the guys who want to, the bidding prices and asking prices of the Apple stocks. And when you talk about stocks, when I tell you about Safaricom stocks, it is all about buying and selling of stocks. Then you have cryptocurrencies for people who are into crypto. You can also do your trading here. And commodities are things like gold, things like copper. When you want to just it's about buying and selling. So create a free demo account, and we are starting everything from scratch, and I'm going to show you the whole process. So for me, I already have an account, but I'll just create using an email that I don't even use. So you get to write your email account. You get to write your email account, and then I agree to terms and conditions. Then create demo account. Then they'll tell you to check your email. So they will have sent an email to your inbox. So you are told to check your email. So let's do that. Yeah, one more step to create your account, Deriv. So you're nearly there. Thank you for creating an account with us. To complete your sign up, please verify your email. Just click on that. Okay, this process you can still do on your phone. I'm just using the computer so that you can get to view it from a large screen. Everything here, going to your email to verify it will take you back to Chrome or Google. Everything here you can do it from your phone. So you select the country, of course. eh? We are Zacchaeus people, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm from Kenya. Citizenship, yes, Kenyan by birth, Kenyan by choice, and if I'm to choose again, I'll still choose Kenya. You understand? Yeah, man. So Kenya, and let me go next. Keep your account secure. Keep your account secure. I'll just simply write Kenya. I'm just Kenya at 1, 2, 3. As common names and surnames are easy to guess. Kenya at 1, 2, 3. Not even Kenya. Let me just use Shifu. Shifu, the binary Shifu. Yeah. Shifu at 1, 2, 3. And then I'll have created, just by that I've created my demo account. It's free, guys. I've told you, with the link down on my description, you are good to go. So you land on this page. These are the different platforms that you can trade on deriv.com. So I want to guide you guys, because we are going to be trading binary options. Don't come here and click Deriv to go this Deriv trader or Deriv bot, smart trader, Deriv go, or no. We are only interested with binary bot. This site, you see this binary bot, our legacy automated trading platform. Why am I talking about binary options? You get to trade with bots. After you get to learn your trading strategy, you get to know how to analyze the market, of which, guys, I'll be willing to show you all these things free of charge. So when you get to know how to analyze your market, you just click start on the bot and it runs. We'll get to there. So options and multipliers, let's just go through this screen, what they're trying to tell us. Let's finish, and I choose binary bot, start trading. So you see, okay, I want to go the way they are teaching us. That's how I want you also to learn. If you're a beginner, switch accounts. So there's this tab here written demo. This is where you switch accounts between your real and demo accounts. Then we have Traders Hub tour. That is where you can get to get the tutorial. So you see this on the right here, there is total assets. So what happens when you sign into deriv.com as a new trader? you are given a demo account. Demo means you get to trade but virtually, using virtual money. You cannot withdraw that money. It is money that is helping you to be on the platform to practice your trades. Until when you are ready, you can now deposit money into your trading account and you'll be able to do what? To start trading. I will also teach you how to deposit the cash. So let's open binary bot. Look, you see here, binary bot. Let's open that so that it takes us to our site for trading. Ready to learn how to use binary bots? I will say yes, because whatever they are saying here, I want you also to learn and see. Let's say yes. They say drag and drop block files or make your own strategies. Guys, remember I told you I will teach you how to make your own trading bot. While others sell you bots, I will teach you how to make your own bot at your comfort of where you are, and then you just get to trade with your own. Of which, if it reaches a point whereby you're not able to do that, I told you guys you can just DM me, text me on WhatsApp, text me on Instagram. My handles are down there, and we get to talk. And where you're stuck, I'll unstuck you. Unstuck you. Is that English? Okay. So add more blocks from here to your bot. This is now when you're creating the bot. And then up here, log in before starting your bot. You have to log in into your account. Bot controls up there. So this plus icon will actually magnify the screen. This will actually zoom out. Want to report an issue? Done. Okay, so guys, let's start. Let me show you from this side what are we talking about. So binary bot, you see where the logo is, binary bot. This circle that has arrows is the refresh button. I want to refresh everything on this screen. That is the refresh button. The next one is load new blocks. If I want to load a bot, my binary bot, I will come here, load blocks. I will load a bot here, and we will see how our bot looks like for the new guys. Then next to it is save the existing block. When you've created a binary bot, you can still create your bot on this page. So when you've created the binary bot, you can still save it to your computer, or you can connect it to your Google Drive so that your bots will always just be living on your Google Drive, so that you may not lose them. If you want to lose things very quickly, you can always just automate it into your Google Drive for safety. Undo the changes, redo the changes. So the process of making your bot, you get to undo anything that maybe would have been a mistake, or to just redo the changes. Then I've told you the plus icon is for magnifying, you can see, and then the minus is for the opposite. You can drag this thing anyhow you want. Okay, so then we have this rearrange vertically. So let me show you what rearrange. These are blocks. These are the trading blocks. So if I want to arrange them, I'll just click and rearrange vertically. This is the summary. This is the summary where you'll be seeing the trades. This is where you'll be seeing the trades. So how do you just click, and it will be showing you how the trades will be running. And then this is the icon to run the bot, this triangular one. And then this show log will be showing you the how your bot is purchasing the contracts, how it is buying the contracts, and whether you've lost or so. When you've finished trading and you want to look at how your trades were, you just come to this log, and then this is the chart. When we get to analyzing the market, this is a chart whereby you can analyze the market. You can see it is rising, yeah. And then this is the trading view. There are people who like trading using this view by just looking at how the market has been, do the analysis. This is the trading view that I know you've seen people with such screens on their phone, yeah. Now What is this? Okay, we are here. I told you I want to take you guys slowly. What is this? You can see here, define your trade. Let me zoom in. Eh? You can see here, define your trade. What is this? So this is a block, this is a block, and also this is a block, and also this is a block. So this block that you see here, number 1, is where you'll be trading the markets. We have derived forex, we have indices, and we have commodities. These are even in depth, but because we'll be trading derived now, we'll just focus. It is always said, don't be so curious into so many things that you'll get confused on what are your priorities. You guys know about that saying. So we'll be trading, the market is derived for trading binary options, and we have different markets. We have forex basket, daily reset indices, commodities, jump indices, continuous indices. We are interested in continuous indices. Don't worry about all this, because the binary bot you'll be trading with will have all these details. By the way, if you want a binary, if you want a trading bot to start learning, just DM me on Instagram, text me on WhatsApp, I'll give it to you. And then continuous indices, and then we have volatility 101S. Now, these are the different kinds of markets that we have in the continuous indices. You can also trade jump indices, which also has 5 different markets. So continuous indices, we have 10, and this is actually where we'll be trading most of the time. Then the trade type, you can trade up and down. You can trade up or down, equal, Asians, digits, touch not touch, ends in, ends out. Okay, don't let this not confuse you. So let me leave it at up and down. So we will be trading, trying to predict, will the market rise or fall? And then you can choose either higher, lower, or rise and fall. So this place, this higher and lower, you are just choosing the contract type. And then if you want to trade just higher, you come to the contract type and you choose higher. Then all these other details like default, candle, interval, these ones are just by default. So if you have a binary bot, actually it will already have been set all this. The good thing with the bots is that you put your setting once and you'll never do it again. Okay, so if you need a binary bot, you can just get it from me anytime you need one. So let me show you how a binary bot looks. Let's load my binary bots that I've made, and I said I'll also teach you guys how to trade. So you guys know my real name. I go by the name MD Fire Shark Z. So you can see my bot, MD Fire Trading System. So this is how a bot looks like. Define your trade type, derived, continuous indices, everything is set. I'll just come and press, and the bot will start running. You can see when it buys, you'll see some notifications down here in blue. That is when it makes purchases. So it is trading rise and fall, and you can look at the market. So when we start analyzing things, this is where this is what we'll be doing. How do you analyze the market, and the kind of binary bot you have? How does it work? Is it good enough or is it not? So far we are trading, okay, call. When you see trade type call, it means rise. You guys see here on the contract type, it is rise by default. So this bot, okay, there are so many bots that trade different contract types. Remember, this is what contract type is. Contract type is, what am I trading, rise or fall? So this bot right now is trading rise or fall. I told you guys, you see this icon here where it's written show or hide, this will just show me the trades. You see it has lost 3 times. So this is a bot that is trading without any kind of analysis. I just let it run. So you'll see, if you see such losses, it means you've not even analyzed the market. So, and actually, okay, it is nice that it has even lost and it has hit the stop loss. So the good thing with binary bots is that you can set, I have $10, but I want to, when I start trading, I cannot lose more than $5. You set something called your stop loss. The stop loss, it's like telling you, after this certain amount of losses, please let the bot stop itself automatically. That is my risk that I want to risk. My risk for today is $10. If you lose $10, just stop. The bot will stop automatically. That is the good thing with binary bots. Because I did not tell you that trading you will always be making money. You have to learn how to analyze the market, and then that's how you'll start making money. Without learning proper analysis of the market, you'll just be losing money. So there's nothing like a quick rich scheme. This is a process by process. You get to learn step by step. I'm not here to tell you, 100% 100% wins. No. If you don't learn how to analyze the market, you will lose money. Unless those guys who come to tell you that, I have trading signals. Okay, they are those guys. When you can do something by yourself, how good will you feel about yourself, and how sure will you feel about what you'll be doing? That is the goodness of learning how to analyze the market. We'll get to that part, that video, in time. So I've shown you how a bot looks like. Let me explain to you what these blocks are. These are blocks. This is a block. Okay, it is something that, while I will be teaching you how to make trading bots, these are things that you will learn to do yourself. So step by step, subscribe and just stay tuned and let me handle everything for you on learning step by step. If you want me to cover something, you just text me on Instagram or on WhatsApp, or just text on the comment section. Wherever you'll feel right, just do that and we'll talk. So this trading system, I'm actually going to explain step by step. What is stake? You see this stake? Stake is, I'm telling the bot, trade with $0.5 per each trade. So when I run the bot, I change it to 0. So let me first explain something. These summary tables that you are seeing, what is it? Timestamp, this records the time at which you're trading. The reference is that code. You see how M-Pesa messages have transaction codes. Also trading, one trade has its own transaction code. That is this reference. Trade type, here you can see call, meaning we are trading rise. Call is rise, put is fall. Entry spot, where did it enter the trade? Exit spot, where did it get out of the market? Exit the trade. So you see 2602.48, 2603.42. This exit spot is higher than this entry spot. That is why we won. Come down here to this loss, 2611.33, 2611.19. This exit spot is lower than this entry spot. That's why we lost. We had predicted that the exit spot will be higher than the entry spot, but the exit spot went lower than the entry spot. That's why we lost. So always be keen on these entry and exit spots to understand why you've won a trade or you've lost it. Buy price, you see here this take 0.5. That's why the buying price here has come to 0.5. So as it buys, you will see here, then you'll see profit and loss, and then status settled. Up here it will show you when it is attempting to buy, when the buyer has succeeded, and there is a reference code, and then the contract closed. Down here you can see account. So down here, this virtual account, this is the virtual trading place. This virtual account, you can see where the account, whether it is real, whether your account is real or it is virtual. You'll see it down here, and then the number of runs that so far your bot has made, the total stake, how much in total have you staked, $12 out of all these runs that you've seen here. Then the total payout. This word payout, it means how much the probability that you are supposed to win. And then the wins are 3, the losses are 6. Then what is your profit of the day? If it is negative, you can see red. If it is positive, you will see green. So we've lost -$9 through this trade that we made without analysis. And then down here you will see the balance. That is the explanation for there. So the stake, it will buy using what I'll put here on the stake. These values you can always change. The take profit is what is my target. You know, a bot runs in seconds. That is one run. You see it has one run, it is making another run. So this bot runs in seconds. So you can, according to the analysis of your market, you can see that the market will be rising. The market will be on a rising. Let's look at this market. This market is actually, or it's actually ranging. It is not rising, it is not falling, it is just in the middle, trying to get a spot for it. This is called a ranging market. That will get to learn slowly by slowly. So at that point, okay, it is on that spot, but while your bot still trades, you can still make wins and losses. So then we have a stop loss. How much am I willing to lose? Take profit is how much what profit do I want? So for the stop loss is how much am I willing to lose. Okay, how much am I willing to lose? Then we have something called martingale. Martingale is a multiplier. If I lose 0, you can look at here, I won 0.5, I lost 0.5, so the next buying price will be 1. It multiplies it by 2. What is the multiplier? It is called martingale. Martingale is just another word for multiplier. And then we have something here on this boat which is actually is not on other boats, called martingale level. How many steps am I willing to lose? That is more complex. We'll get to learn it later. And then do martingale after 1. You're just basically telling it, if you lose once, the next stake you will have to multiply it using the multiplier that I will have set on the martingale, which is 2. So you lose, like we've lost here 0.5, it trades with $1. It loses 1 like this, it trades with $2. That is now the multiplying stake. Meaning when it wins this $2, you'll have recovered everything. You see now the market is let me change this, let it trade fall, since I'm seeing the market has started falling. So when it trades with 2, it wins 1.91, meaning it has recovered the 2 losses. That's how trading works. But now all this depends on the contract type. Each contract type has a payout, how the probability, like when you trade rise and fall, the probability when you win, you get 96% of what your stake is. So like our stake is 0.5. When I win, it is I get 0.46. This is the payout. So we have I've explained there, and then we have all these other settings. Now the basic settings are just these that you can see up here. These are the basic settings. The rest, if you get a bot maybe from me, you've come, I give you a trading bot, the only things you'll be changing are this. The stake list, a stake list is a risk management strategy. Now when we reach to that point, I'll be telling you what is the advantage of using a stake list and why you need a bot that has a stake list. So if you've been trading with a bot that has been giving you big losses, you need risk management strategies and a bot that is designed to help you manage risks. Okay, we were not to do all that. I was to show you now how to verify your account. So leave all this, we'll come back later on the next tutorial. So how to verify your account, you come up here to cashier, you see we have a notification on, look at the right, on the right here, you look at the right, the notifications. You see install the Riv Trader, install the Riv Trader web app. So once you've created the account, it will come to a time when on the notifications you'll be told to verify your account. You'll see it here. So I'll just wait for this. It means I'll have to wait for this, then we'll get to verify it together. But here on the cashier, you saw how we got to the cashier. Or here on the cashier, this is where you get to deposit money or to withdraw. You have to switch on the right here to your real account. Let me show you guys. Let me show you what I've done. I've come here to the demo account. Once you create a demo account, it doesn't mean you've created a real account. So let us go back to where we were. Let us go back to where we were on the trading platform. So from there, I want to show you how to create your real account. So you see here on the right, you can see the drop down arrow. When you click it, you can go to the real account, and then you see options and multipliers, and you add. We are trying to create the trading account for us, which is real. So add a deriv account, will come and choose US dollars. Kindly choose the US dollars. Okay, the euro, sterling, pound, all this you can do it, but I recommend choose the US dollars, so that at least we all know about the exchange rates of Kenya and USD. Then you start disturbing yourselves with the exchange rate for the euro. So the second step, you'll be asked about your personal details. Click on national ID, and then you'll be told to enter your national ID, which is 8 figures. You see how they've even showed you an example of this guy. You can see this woman's national ID. They have told you how it looks like. Then please enter first name here. First name, you will enter your first name. You will enter your second name. Then you will enter your date of birth, and then you will enter your phone number. And then you will move to next. Let me just create something. Something here. Let me guess. Are they 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And then you move to next line of address, second line of address. So if you are a student, you can use your school's PO box zip code. That is the easiest. If you are if you are working, or you are an adult, I know you have an address, or you have something that you use as your address, maybe your work address or something. If you are a student, you can use your school address here. Let me write 1020 what? Nairobi. Nairobi municipality code. I don't know even the code of Nairobi. Is it 0100? I didn't use Nairobi, so that's why I'm just writing things there. No thanks. And then jurisdiction by law, these are just terms. And then add account. Add account. When you add the account, you see I told you guys on the notifications here, you will get a message to verify. What do? On the verification, you can either upload, okay, the best thing, if you have a KRA document, always upload the KRA document. So your KRA actually has a PO box, an address. You remember, guys, on the address place, use your KRA's address, the address you wrote on your KRA, to fill in those spaces, and then you upload the picture of your KRA, and then they will verify your account. It's that easy, guys. It has been long. Let's meet on the next video. I said if you have any question, if you have anything on trading binary options, DM me on my Instagram page, or just text me on WhatsApp. If you want private classes, we can talk there about that. If you want trading bots, you can just talk to me over there. If you want to be taught how to do all this, you can just talk to me. Anything about binary options trading, talk to me. But if you want to open your trading account, just use the link on my description. There's a link to deriv.com to start creating your account, and then we get from there. For those who want to know how to analyze the markets using the digit analysis tool, there is a link on my description on how to purchase the digit analysis tool. And then from there, DM me. Once you purchase it using the link on my channel, just DM me and I'll teach you for free how to use it. So guys, let's meet in the next video, and this is the binary Shifu. We are out.